Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a 68 Plymouth Roadrunner with a 383 and a pistol grip 4-speed. It's a real Roadrunner, has a fender tag. It checks out the way you see it. Go to volocars.com and that's where you can get all the specs, photos top to bottom, pricing on this car, and a few hundred other collector cars that are all for sale. That's volocars.com. But right now, why don't you go with me for a spin in a 68 Roadrunner. Beautiful car, rare color you don't see very often. It's light green metallic, code F. This is the original color for the car, then completely repainted, clear coated, so it's very bright and shiny. The car is actually, the body's really nice. The gaps are real important to me and they fit really nicely. There's no bubbles along the bottom of the car, it's all smooth. Actually, underneath the car is also completely solid. The floors, the frame rails, all the factory seams are really, really clean under this car. There's photos on our website. So I do believe it has very clean metal. Body, floors, all really good on this car. Door jambs are painted real nicely. The weather strips are soft. The bumpers are rechromed. The windshield is new. The rest of the trim is just very good original condition. Everything is nice. It has some vintage style Keystone chrome wheels, but I believe they're new. They're not old because they look brand new. The car has a nice stance as well. There are tens of thousands of dollars in receipts that go with this car. I was reading through them yesterday, and again, just a stack of receipts, and it adds up well into the thousands of dollars. So it's had a lot of restoration work done. The front end looks like it's all rebuilt. It's got a nice sounding dual exhaust system, which we'll start in a minute. It does have power steering. So the motor's been rebuilt, has an aluminum intake on it, big Holley dual feed carb with electric choke, and everything looks proper. The power steering hoses, the alternator, distributor, master cylinder, all looks new. Getting back to the metal, the engine bay is really nice. The metal is immaculate. The factory spot welds, all the seams are clean. Nothing looks like it was hit or twisted or rusted or caulked. It's just a nice, clean engine bay. And the number on the core support matches the number on the trim tag, and it is the original trim tag. The interior has been real nicely restored. Trunk compartment's rock solid. They did dynamat it underneath the rubber plaid mat. It keeps things quieter. It's got a painted rim with a brand new tire. It's got a jack, got a shop manual. The light works. This is all painted up real nice. The weather strip looks new. It's got a nice clean trunk compartment. The upholstery's been replaced. The carpet, the door panels, the headliner, and everything is tidy. The whole instrument panel, the lenses, the knobs, all real clean. New armrests, the chrome bases are new. It is upgraded with a cushion grip steering wheel, and it does have the right Hurst shifter coming out of the floor, and it's a modern billet pistol grip handle that's on there. We'll start it up for you. You gotta have the Roadrunner horn. That's what makes the car. Everyone wants to hear that. In our showroom, people ask all the time. They'll say, hey, can you hit the horn there for my buddy? They all want to hear it. It's got new Roadrunner floor mats, got the factory seat belts front and back. Visors are real nice. The pillars, the mirror, the rear speaker tray, all in excellent shape. Interior light works. Motor's quiet and smooth. Doors shut real nice. My son Ryan manages the shop, and twice, two different occasions, he just randomly said, this is a really good car. So he gets underneath them, he test drives them, he hears what the other guys are saying about the cars, and again, twice he told me this is a good one. So not only does it look good, but obviously you see it starts right up, the clutch feels good, things work. It's just a good car, and it should be with all the money that was spent and all those receipts that will go with the car. Visit volocars.com. Plenty of ways on there to contact us. We'll walk you through the whole process. We'll answer whatever questions. We'll help with financing, shipping. We have a few hundred cars on there for sale, so visit volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's the best way to see these videos first. And I appreciate everyone who has been watching, and stay tuned. We'll have a lot more to come.